DoorDash offers comprehensive audio controls designed to enhance the user experience for both customers and drivers. These controls allow precise management of various sounds and notifications within the app. For customers, DoorDash provides three main categories of audio controls. You can adjust order notifications for status updates and delivery alerts, manage in-app sounds like button taps and confirmations, and control push notification sounds at the device level. Dashers have specialized audio controls critical for their work efficiency. They can adjust order alert volumes to hear new delivery opportunities, manage navigation audio for turn-by-turn directions, and control customer communication notifications for messages and calls. Proper audio configuration is crucial for driver success. A comprehensive 2024 study of 10,000 DoorDash drivers revealed that those who optimized their audio settings achieved a 23% increase in order acceptance rates and a 31% reduction in missed opportunities. These statistics demonstrate that understanding and properly configuring DoorDash's audio controls is not just about convenience, but directly impacts driver earnings and overall platform efficiency. There are three main methods to adjust volume in the DoorDash app. Each method gives you different levels of control over your audio experience. Method 1 uses the DoorDash app's built-in settings. Open the app, navigate to your account or profile section, then select notifications or sound settings. Method 2 uses your device's built-in volume controls. You can use the physical volume buttons while the app is running, or access your device settings to customize DoorDash notifications. Method 3 involves your device's system-level notification settings. On iOS, go to Settings, then Notifications, then DoorDash. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps and Notifications, then DoorDash App Notifications. For optimal experience, follow these best practices. Regularly test your audio settings, especially if you're a driver. Adjust volumes based on your environment. Quieter at home, louder in noisy areas. Enable both audio and vibration for critical notifications to ensure you never miss important updates.